Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to integrate Calendly with iCloud. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but guys, if you have problems registering, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we can go and help you with that. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go, what you actually have in front of us. So basically in the top left corner, we have the create button, we have some schedule events, we have the upgrade plan, and we have the admin center in the bottom left corner. In the top right corner, guys, as you can see in the other hand, we have some more things about your profile. So guys, now let's see how you can actually go and integrate Calendly with iCloud. So you can connect your iCloud calendar to Calendly. Basically, it is pretty simple. You just need to go and in a new tab, open Calendly and select your account drop-down menu in the upper right-hand side. So as we said, this is a other option here. Now what you need to do is click calendar sync. So basically you have this calendar sync here. You just need to go and click on that and then select plus add calendar account. So you just need to go and select the plus add calendar account. Then next to iCloud calendar, select connect, enter your iCloud email address and paste in your app specific password. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope you found it informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.